I'm Stephanie Thelen, principal at Lakeside Elementary here in East Grand Rapids, and we are so excited at all three of our elementary buildings to be getting brand new playgrounds thanks to the passing of a community parks millage last year. So here at Lakeside, behind me is the first finished portion of our Lower L playground, and also we have on the other side of me here the playground, or excuse me, the drop-off loop for our new parking lot that we're really excited about as well. Construction is still in motion and we can't wait for it to open at the end of October.
The students are just enjoying all of the new equipment. It's like the shiny new apple. And it's just great to see our students out here playing, not only during school, but after school and on the weekends. We still are waiting for our field to finish up here, but we're getting much closer. That will open up even more space for our community as we move forward with some more games out on our field. So we're really excited about this addition and opportunity to have a new playground at our building.